The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate the modulating activity of a specific diet for halitosis management in dogs by means of a portable chromatograph for human use. This is accomplished by first randomly dividing dogs of different breeds suffering from chronic halitosis into two groups. A baseline measurement of the volatile sulfur compounds, or VSC, which are the major causative factors of halitosis, is then acquired from the dogs using the oral chroma gas chromatograph. Then, a specific diet is provided to the dogs belonging to the treatment group for a 30-day period, while the other group receives a placebo. Measurement of the halitosis-related compounds is repeated throughout the treatment period and at the end of treatment. The final step is to allow both groups to have a washout period, where all animals are fed with placebo. At the end of the washout period, the two groups are inverted, such that the control group receives the dietary supplement and the treatment group receives the placebo.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like high-performance liquid chromatography and solid-phase micro-extraction gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, is that it is portable, rapid, and does not require a long training to perform an independent analysis. Demonstrating the procedure will be Francesca Chiavolelli, a graduate student from my laboratory.
To begin, randomly divide 32 dogs of different breeds suffering from chronic halitosis into two groups. Subject the dogs to a veterinary inspection.